Hi there, everyone. Dave Dubeau here, Canadian Profits TV, again with my good friend Stefan Arnio, a creative real estate investor from Winnipeg, Manitoba, whose claim to fame is doing many flips, or as he prefers to call it, buy, fix, and sell properties. So, Stefan, last week we were talking a little bit about how ticked off you are about these so-called reality TV property shows and how they get people excited about real estate investing, and then they jump in really uneducated. They don't see the big picture because the shows are more about the drama and the excitement than the reality of the whole thing. And you know somebody who personally is a casualty of this. Can you tell us a little bit about that story?
Well, Dave, I know many guys who are casualties of this, and one of my good friends committed one of the cardinal newbie sins of real estate. There's a few things that newbies are drawn to when they jump into real estate. One is development. They all think they can develop. Another one is fire burn properties. That's my problem. I did that. A lot of people try to do commercial residential hybrids or conversions, which is another dumb idea, or they'll try to do something rural, which is a dumb idea. The list goes on, or some bulk auction or something exotic. Newbies always want to do something exotic, and my friend bought a commercial condo in one of the downtown kind of hip, trendy neighborhoods of Winnipeg. I think he bought it for 70 or 80 grand, and he said, I'm going to flip this for 150. And the condo had a bedroom, it had a bathroom, full bathroom, it had a kitchen, it had everything. All you had to do was add a kitchen sink. And the government came in and said, no, you have to gut the whole condo. You have to install an HRV system. You have to, the renovation took, I think, 12 to 18 months because he didn't know what he was doing. He didn't have the team. And at the end of the day, just to install the kitchen sink, I think he's upside down now, and he's been bleeding for 26 months on this thing. It still isn't sold today. When I started my full-time career, I started one of my bigger deals. He started his deal at the same time. His deal still isn't sold, and I've probably done 15 to 20 deals since. So, you can get totally killed out there trying to do some of these fancy newbie things that my friend's trying to do. And I know many. I can think of another group of investors who bought a house, they gutted it. It has a foundation issue. They have no money to fix it, and they're just sitting there just bleeding out, waiting to die. It's terrible. People can get really screwed up.
Well, I think that's why it's so important that we're putting on this no-cost web event on Tuesday, August the 13th. We're going to be talking about the truth about doing buy, fix, and sell deals. The web event is called The Real Truth About Reality TV Real Estate Shows, How to Avoid the 3 Biggest Reality Show Lies That Can Cost You Thousands and Even Make You Lose Your Shirt. So again, that's going to be on Tuesday, August the 13th, starting at 6 p.m. Pacific. And if you'd like to register for this event, you can do so at CanadianProfitsWebinar.ca. Again, CanadianProfitsWebinar.ca. Stefan, thanks very much, buddy, for being on the show. Really looking forward to this no-cost web event. I always learn when you're teaching about buy, fix, and sell because you know so much about it. How many deals have you got under your belt so far?
We'll probably do 25 to 30 this year, Dave. I think just on the burner, I think I'm doing 8 or 9 flips at once, right? Active flips right now.
And you did 12 in your first year, is that correct?
Yeah, last year we did 12. This year, I think 8 or 9 are done, and then we've got 8 or 9 going, and we'll probably get another 8 or 9 before the year's over. So, yeah, we'll be 25 to 30.
Not a bad track record. All right, my friend. Look forward to seeing you.
Thanks, David.